Let's talk about the difference between affect and effect. When we say affect, it's verb. It means to change something or someone. However, effect means noun and it is the result of the change. In most cases, the word effect is used as noun. Again, affect with letter A is action, it's verb. Effect with letter E is the end result. Let's take a look at some examples using the word affect. First, the medicine can affect your appetite. In the sentence, there's a change once you're taking a medicine. It's either a good or a bad one. So your appetite is affected when you're taking a medicine. Second example, my mom's opinion will not affect my decision. So whatever your mom says, it doesn't change your decision. Third example, studying hard can affect your English ability. So if you are a student or English learner, if you're studying hard, there's a change in it and you will be able to improve your English ability or your skill. However, when we say effect, let's say the result or the end result, here are some examples. One of the side effects of this particular drug is muscle pain. So the outcome of taking this medicine, there is muscle pain. So that's the effect. Second example, social media can have a huge effect on teenagers' lifestyle. We're talking about their lifestyle. One more example, smoking has a harmful effect on your health. If you're smoking, there is a negative result. Now, it's your turn to use affect and effect in a sentence. Comment down below. Thank you so much for watching.